Geek's Lab, Geekble. Geekble transforms the principles of science and engineering, generally associated with usefulness and efficiency, into the pleasure of uselessness. Their work invites audiences who have been forced to choose only between necessity and seriousness into an unexpected void, where a sense of playfulness is hidden. Upon entering the noise-filled laboratory and passing through the mirror passage with a moving pendulum, they are greeted by a new being whose identity cannot be easily determined. The answers that a new being gives in response to their random, irrelevant questions provide them with a first-hand experience of the daily routine of a geekly scientist. This style of work can be referred to as an exform, a novel term that combines the prefix ex with the word form. It connotes a work that uses things that have been socially abandoned and discarded as objects in order to reflect on what determines inclusion or exclusion.